Welcome back. This is me Anand back again with a new video, and today we are at Great Wolf Lodge and here in Connecticut, Mashantucket, Connecticut, and it's time to head inside and do check-in.
We're going to the kids' cabin, and I heard from my friend that at Great Wolf Lodge Hotel that there's like kids' bunk beds and room playing beds, and then next door there's the parents' room. So let's catch up to Mommy.
Wait, slowly. Checked in, and let's go explore the room first, and we'll explore the rest of the properties here. We are in room 4185. Let's get inside. Okay. Right. On your right is the bathroom. Okay, cool. And they have this bathroom towels, hair dryer, and pretty much standard bathroom.
But then there's the sink here when they're
Sour gel shampoo.
And the sink's over there because
yep.
They want to make it ready.
Right behind the bathroom is the closet. They don't have the door in the closet. Can you pull this back a little bit? Thank you so much. And they have this do not disturb tag and the laundry bag. And few hangers. Right above the hanger is the pillows and the few more blankets, and beside the closet is the sink. Hello, look at the paw. I love this paw.
Hi, Paul.
What do you like?
What would you like?
I would like to explore your room.
Okay, come in.
Okay.
I'll open the door.
Okay. Here we go. So what's next? What can you explain? What do you have in your room?
Explain your word.
What is that? They have a nice painting over here.
Yes, my grandpa
Wow.
made that.
No.
Yes.
Wolf places, Great Wolf Lake.
Come here. I even got a collection. Give me the GoPro.
No, that is fine.
No, please.
I'll give you.
It's here. I got a rock collection, a swimsuit, a pack, and
Can you go up? I want to see you going up.
Where my dances, steps, and up here, let's see, we have cups, floor slime and fire slime, a kit, a fishing rod, lights, and tennis. And we even got a clock.
Where is the clock?
Above. And I even got a pair of shoes. And I got some rewards. Wait, before, give me the, this is the most important part.
Yeah, you can explain.
Yeah. Be noble, helpful, kind, true, and brave. And I got a butterfly collection. I have
Look at these paintings. I like the fireflies, and then the what is that?
Lord slime.
Lord slime.
And that thing's off.
Okay.
Yay. Bye guys. Thank you for visiting my house.
Thank you so much for explaining, Kenzo. You are such a beautiful
And then I forget I was doing play.
Okay.
On the Gito swim meet. And yeah, thank you guys. Thank you. Don't forget to visit tomorrow.
Okay, sure.
Another window.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
It's so cool down here.
You love it? Okay.
And here's the parents' room.
This is the parents' room.
Wait, there's a chest.
Yeah. We can open this chest. So down there is a chest, and so you can open that chest. And here is a cool clean sofa. What? You love that?
Yeah.
And here is phone. Hello. If you want something, ring.
Someone's calling.
Yeah. And look at those paintings. They look cool, right? Great. And what else? Look at the tent. Very cool painting again. One more time. Looks like a very fall color, beautiful painting. And then from the window you can see the road, right? You can see the highway. Not clear, but yes.
It's really beautiful. Let me see.
And here is a TV. And they also have few more animals in the right up there.
Oh, what? Okay, everyone, I'm going to the kids' cabin.
Okay. And here's a cool table. Like you can sit here and have your breakfast. And there is a fridge. And we already have our stuff filled in here. And the fridge over here.
Put the Gatorade in there.
Yeah, for some time. And we have our stuff already over there. And what is that?
Thank you so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that subscribe and like before we end.
Now it's time to check out, right? We already packed our stuff and it was really fun here, guys. We really had a blast, especially in the water park. And then,
Yes.
and well, how was the movie night? I mean the story.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
It was amazing. I even found someone who has the same toy as me. This one. Ready? 3, 2, 1. This is for celebrating.
Yep. So this is
Our
Kids Cabin Suite at Great Wolf Lodge in Connecticut, right?
And we're on the state Connecticut. Let's go.
Okay. Thank you guys again. You have a good day.
You also have a good day too.
No, but thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because that will help me make me more videos, more travel videos and the room tours of this kind. So thank you again. You have a good day, and thank you again. Bye bye.